Hello everyone, I am so excited to share this project with you. You hear people all the time talk about mug rugs. This can be a mug rug or a coaster. This right here I use as a hot pad for my table so I can put down something hot and protect the surface of the table. It is very easy to make. What you need to make this particular hot pad, you need 2 centers, you need 12 flower petals, and then you need 6 diamonds. Now remember, if you take a hexagon and you draw from corner to corner, and then you cut on every other line, you end up with 3 diamonds. So those will be the diamonds that you're going to use, wrap with fabric, baste, and sew together. Now what does it look like? You're going to sew a flower petal and another flower petal. You're going to join these diamonds around the edge of the flower petal. And then you're going to connect the diamonds, I hope this is visible, the diamonds to the hexagons like that. Let me see if I can puff it out so you can see. So there's the hexagon, diamond, hexagon, diamond. So you're going to do that all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and pop my papers out just to kind of get them out of the way because we need to turn this inside out. But before we do that, we will need batting. This is just a spare piece of batting. I cut it into a circle so that it should fit this shape fairly well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay it on here, and then I'm going to flip it inside out, and hopefully that will help me keep it down into the edges. I'm just going to kind of push that around. It's got string sticking out. So as you can see, it's now turned inside out, and then I'm just going to do some stitches along there, here. I'm going to fold this diamond over, keep stitching. And it's okay if you have a little bit of extra batting. You could always trim it too. So then you can see all the way around. Now how do you finish it? You're going to take and quilt some extra stitches on each of the hexagons, which is what I've done here. And then that helps make it flat so that you can put hot dishes and pots and pans, whatever you want on it. This of course is one of my Christmas ones. I have a whole collection of these blue ones that I've made, but I've only made one this size. I think this would be really cute to make as a set and maybe even give as a gift. But anyway, I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to your comments and questions. If you liked this video, please like, and if you want to see future videos, please subscribe. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Happy sewing.